71% of all high school dropouts come from fatherless homes. 85% of youth in prisons come from fatherless homes. Studies have shown that when the father is present, it increases the rate of success for that child.
F.A.S.T. Fathers and Sons Together was created to bring about a stronger relationship between fathers and sons. I've seen a lot of things going on that should not have been going on with our young people, and I thought instead of talking about it, I want to do something about it. So as a result of that, F.A.S.T. was organized.
It's really exciting the work that we do with F.A.S.T. and the work that F.A.S.T. is doing in the community. When you unlock the power of the relationship between a father and a son, it affects the whole community. Not only the two individuals, but the community that they affect in such a positive way. It's just tremendous work, and we, the Watts, are excited to be a part of it.
F.A.S.T. is a program that keeps us involved in the community. And I've been working with the community for 38 years down here, and I retired from teaching, but I still have kids down here in this community. And F.A.S.T. keeps that opportunity for me and my kids to stay in contact with each other. And there's nothing more powerful than a young man, 45 or 50 years old, come up to me and say, "Mr. Watts, I love you." I mean, what a feeling, what a legacy to leave, the love from your community. And F.A.S.T. have allowed me that opportunity. Now I can still have my hand in things around here, and I really enjoy that opportunity.
And most important is the advice on how to be a good father, because he needs some help. Love you, man.
The best.
Mainly I want to reach the fathers, I want to reach sons, mothers, grandparents, I want to reach everybody, because I felt like in order for me to reach those, I would have to go out and do some things that was cutting edge. So what we decided to do was we decided to come up with empowerment camps, we decided to come up with Walk for Change, a whole lot of things in order to make that father-son relationship grow.
This barbershop is restoring the image and the narrative of our culture for a community. We come together with the F.A.S.T. program and we have barbershop chats. We go out and we are able to meet and greet intimately. Nowadays, we miss the intimacy because we have the cell phone and the PlayStations and all of that. We don't have the intimacy like we used to. The fathers don't get up and take the children to the barbershop anymore, the young men like they used to. And the young men could sit around and learn from their fathers and learn from the community, honor and respect. We've been indoctrinated to do things that we wasn't accustomed to doing in our culture. Once we begin to learn our culture and our history of how we had honor and respect and integrity, and we had our words that we meant when we said what we meant. It wasn't being mean, but we meant what we said. So we thank God for the Wilmores and the F.A.S.T. program, because as soon as we do God's will more, first we got to find out what God's will is. Family roots, helping each other. I always tell the truth. Dream big, be happy. Love each other. Biblical principles. Through the F.A.S.T. program, you have been blessed to go out and be a blessing to somebody else.
As the president of F.A.S.T, building a strong foundation for our community is building a strong foundation for our black families. Having a father in the home and putting things in order and in perspective, the young men and young women can see how strong mother and father is working together. That way, when they get older, that they can see and model the same thing that they seen growing up. And that also helps the community as well as a whole by having a strong black family and a strong community.
We have a bright future here at F.A.S.T because we believe in our purpose. We believe that we are strengthening families. Our support systems, our networks, our community partners bring us together, strengthens us. We have lots of activities planned, and within those activities we have lessons learned. And I think we're building families. Our future is bright. I think that every family is going to benefit from this F.A.S.T. organization. I'm proud to be a part of it.
Everyone benefits from F.A.S.T. The father benefits, the son benefits, the mother, the entire community. Because when that father-son relationship is strengthened, a lot of things happen. Once that father-son relationship is strengthened, then the family maneuvers, the family does better, the community does better, everybody benefits. We're all winners.
off running in. Take off running in. Hard. Now I throw. He's not pitching until he sees you crash. 1001, 1002. There you go, Q. There you go. And way to call it out.
Why it's important for fathers to be present, positive, and active is that there's just this desire for relationship. And that starts in the home, and that starts as a father and that relationship that they have with their child. And the biggest thing is about the power of presence. It's very important for a father to be present, positive, and active, to be there both spiritually, physically, mentally, and emotionally for their child, especially the black male. Accentuating the positives and ensuring that they're encouraged, that they're nurtured, that they're healthy, and that they're whole. Then it's important to be active, right? Being that much more physically present in their life by taking them to games, by going to their schools, by showing up when they're having performances. That is what we consider to be the active father. That is what the quintessential father would be when they take on the role to be present, to be active, and to be positive in a child's life.
Fathers and sons together is giving fathers and sons a safe space to be together and to be in community with other fathers and sons, whether it's on the baseball field, the basketball court, barbershops, all the different places that fathers and sons love to be together. It's given us a place to do that with other fathers and sons. It's a big part of community building, as is our baseball program, Baseball Beyond Borders. It's all about the kingdom, building each other up and having a safe space to do that, though. So I really appreciate F.A.S.T. and all the initiatives that they're putting together and giving us a place to be fathers and sons together.
Once that ball is thrown, he's filled, you gotta go replace. You gotta cover.
My parents not only love and care for me, but they also have a heart and compassion for the community as well. I am so blessed to have a father like my dad. He is an amazing leader and mentor and guides me in everything. My dad always tells me of how proud he is of me, but the truth is, I'm super proud of him.
As I sit here watching my son play on the baseball field, I am so proud of him. I'm so proud of all that he has accomplished. I'm proud of my wife for supporting me and the F.A.S.T program, and I see other fathers. I'm so proud of them, how they're empowering, how they're developing their sons. There's no better way. I'm thankful for my father, who also gave me the strength, gave me the knowledge, set an example for me so that I was able to come here. And now our future is very bright, and I just thank everyone for their support. And together we are very strong. F.A.S.T is very strong.